Who's that? You gonna go say hi? Go say hi to Pooter. Oh, there she goes. Pooter likes you. Look at that. Go say hi, Poof. It's okay. You want mama? Oh, look at who's coming over here. You're trying to be all sly. Go say hi. You're dying to make friends, aren't you? Pooter. Pooter, come say hi. It's okay. What do you think? Oh, no way. Oh, was that a little kiss? Oh. Pooter, you're coming on a little strong, I think. Don't bite him. Be nice. Hey, it's okay. It's okay, Pooter. Yeah. Pooter's just coming on a little bit strong. Oh, poor Pooter. He just wants a buddy. He just wants a buddy.